Utamaduni Nature Park was born from a simple but powerful dream. A dream to protect the stories of our people before they disappear.
Odoire ne wito murianyite ogeni utamaduni.
Odoire ni mwetu muthoketu ma utamaduni karibuni.
Machiegi ni utamaduni.
Agana gayana dufte.
Seso amejikenda tajiri muno Utamaduni Nature Park. Ni ngambo njema. Karibuni sana nyumbani kwa tamaduni zote.
Here,
Soba.
tradition is alive. Here, stories are seen, heard and felt. And here, every visit is a journey into the richness of Kenyan heritage. Today, we open the doorway to the heart of our heritage, soul of our identity, traditional villages. 9 different communities come to life. Their stories, their architecture, their way of life, and as you walk through the park, you don't just see culture, you experience it. You feel connected to the roots many of us never truly knew. Have you ever asked yourself where your community began? Experience it all for yourself. In a world where traditions are fading, Utamaduni stands as one of the few parks dedicated fully to showcasing our rich cultural heritage. Visit Utamaduni Nature Park. Immerse yourself in Kenya's rich culture.